Hello, everyone. My name is Ryan Zins. I am the RFID product manager here at Diversified Labeling. And today we're going to talk a little bit about tag selection and inlay selection for your RFID projects. By far and away, the most important question and the first question to ask is the application and what do they want their RFID to do. If we can understand what they want to do with the RFID, it can answer a lot of questions sometimes before we even have to ask them. Some of the most important things would be the substrate that's being tagged and the environment that the tag is going into. We're looking for the presence of metals, presence of liquids, either in the environment or on the what is being tagged. And the final consideration there would be special considerations like the presence of high temperatures, cold temperatures, or tag density is another consideration that would fall here. If the tags are tightly located together, it's something we just have to know so we can properly recommend the correct tag. The second question would be what's being encoded and by whom? The by whom part obviously addresses the printer. We just need to know the printer model for obvious reasons. The other part would be what's being encoded. If we understand what your client wants to do or what the end user wants to do with the data, we can coach them a little bit on what's important to be encoded, what may not be as important to do it and how we're going to actually go about the encoding process. The third and most important question would be read range. Sometimes there's a read range desired and required. Obviously, there's a difference between the two. Desired could be anything we'd like to have 30 feet, but can settle for 20 feet. Required would be, well, we got to have 30 feet because we want to read the stuff that's on the top of like a modern warehouse racking system, 30 feet off the ground. Uh, those questions are will also the answer to those questions will also help me understand if we're dealing with an active RFID project or a passive RFID project, different types of RFIDs involved. It will also help me understand if we're dealing the frequencies we're dealing with, UHF frequencies, high frequencies, low frequencies. Those kind of things will be answered by read range desired.